Tagore Research Scholar under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and has translated these rhymes of Tagore, which have been published by Sahitya Academy in 4 volumes. Eminent choreographers have selected rhymes from the 4 volumes, which will be brought alive on stage with their performances this evening. We'd like to tell you that these rhymes have never been performed before, not even in Bengal. Dr. Utpal Banerjee was really looking forward to this evening's program. Unfortunately, day before yesterday, he had a fall. He is at the moment in Apollo Hospital and will be operated upon tomorrow morning. He personally asked me to thank you all for being here and to welcome you all on his behalf. This is a labor of love of all of us associated with the program. Toothpilda, who incidentally celebrated his 80th birthday 2 days ago on the 27th. We begin this evening's program with a presentation by senior Kathak dancer and guru, Padma Shri and Sangeet Natak Academy awardee, Srimati Shobna Narayani. This evening she presents a piece on Motilal Nandi, a character that we can all identify with. How often in our lives, learning of grammar and vocabulary have eluded us and left us frustrated. So was it with Motilal Nandi. The treatment utilizes the medium of riddles posed by a young student to the senior lady to impart awareness of grammar and to enlarge her vocabulary. Concept direction and lead dancer is Shobna Narayan, supporting dancer Mrunalini. I'd like to invite the accompanying musicians on stage. Tabla, Ustad Shakil Ahmed Khan. Vocal composer and vocalist, Madhav Prasad. Music composer and vocalist, Sitar Vijay Sharma. And technical assistants, Nitin Jain. And now it's over to Shobna ji, who will tell us about her presentation.
Namaskar. It's sad that Utpal Da is not here, but we are all here to greet him on his birthday, which just passed, and we all wish him all speedy recovery. I thought I would just like to mention how and why I came to this. First, the why is that I was asked to do it from the Kapchada series of Tagore. And I protested. I said, well, why don't you give me something with mother and this and that? So he said, no, you do the Kapchada series. So there I was with the Kapchada. And so I chose Motilal Nandi. Now, of course, to our Bengali friends, he's quite a familiar figure. And but to my non-Bengali friends, I would just like to mention that Motilal Nandi, of course, is a person who just didn't want to study. Studies was beyond him. He tried his best, but whenever he took a book, he fell off to sleep. I think most of us do that also. And finally, he found he couldn't get the conjunctions right, he couldn't get the conjoined words right, nothing right. Finally, he found a solution. He just threw everything into the Ganges, tore it up in pieces, threw it into the Ganges, and lo and behold, everything, the conjunctions and everything conjoints came together and formed a pattern. And that was the study of Motilal Nandi. So when I was asked, when I was reading it, I said, obviously, let me adapt it, something which suits my at this my age, and therefore I am the adult illiterate. And here is an adult illiterate who's trying her best to study, and then comes a little girl. The youngsters of today are definitely very, very bright. They know everything, and trying to teach me vocabulary and everything, and through the medium of riddles. Paheli, which is again a part of our Kathak repertoire, so I utilized a medium. Sometimes it's going to be sung, sometimes it will be said. And the riddles are basically taken from another very well-known poet, and that is Amir Khusro. So I've just given you a hint. So I leave it open to all of you also in the audience. You're welcome to join and give the answers to the riddles. Let's see whether I can or I cannot, whichever way, and let's see what happens to the conjoined words later on. That's it. Thank you.
कर रही क्या प्यारी सखी, उल्टा पुस्तक नींद में पढ़ रही, उल्टा पुस्तक नींद में पढ़ रही, कर रही क्या प्यारी सखी। ध्यान लगाकर सुनिए आप, ध्यान लगाकर सुनिए आप, पहेली में होती शिक्षा शुरुआत, पहेली में होती शिक्षा शुरुआत। सगरी रैन छतियन पर राखा रंग रूप सब बाका चाका रंग रूप सब वाका चाका भोर भई सब दिया उतार भोर भई सब दिया उतार ऐसा क्यों पूछे बारंबार हाँ सखी पूछे बारंबार हाँ रजाई ओफो रजाई नहीं हार